Okay, hi people. Okay, in this video I wanted to introduce the essentials of functional programming. I assume that you are a programmer who used some of the mainstream languages like Python or Java or C++, and you're interested in functional programming. I was also in this situation, and it took me a longer time to understand the essence of functional programming. In tutorials and books, people talk about details, but they skip the big picture. And the big picture is that functional programming basically is programming without variables. That is the main difference compared to imperative programming that you already know. So imagine that you have decided not to use variables anymore, not to use memory, because they introduce a lot of bugs, and you decided only to use functions. So what you do, you write processing, some kind of processing pipeline. And data is usually outside your program. It can be in database, in some kind of memory structure, or like entered by user using some kind of interface. And functional programming has a very strict mathematical basis, which says that it has only functions, which are like mathematical functions without side effects. So they have values, arguments, and they have results. And when you write those functions, you don't use memory locations, you don't use variables which can change state. You use only values. You can use values which are result of functions, but only to name them in order to transfer them as an argument to another function. During time, researchers developed a lot of very efficient ways to organize functions into larger programs or larger functions. And these solutions also found a way back to mainstream programming, like in previous decades. So the essence of functional programming is that you are only the base of programming, the only integral part of programs that you can use are functions. And if you see some very complicated looking functional code, you shouldn't be afraid of it. It is just functions that can be expressed or written in different ways. Okay, hope I wasn't too long. Good luck with programming.